Today, we're out here at Camp Atterbury, Indiana. This is the range we go to conduct our firing for 203, the M249 assault rifle, and the M240 machine gun. Right now, we have 4 defenders that are deploying within the next few weeks, and they're out here to qualify on that, and then we're also catching up on our qualifications. Only 2 of them are qualifying on the 240 and the 249, but we train them all together, so they're all going together. They all get to know and learn about it, and then we get a whole day out here with them. And then it's fresh on their memory, and then they off on their deployment.